Hello, we're gonna continue these tutorials by adding a back lid to our project so we can change the battery and also have these, oh, I didn't finish the drawing, but these things for um, clipping this to the backside of the bike. All right, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do all of that right over here at the back. And for that, we're going, actually, I'm gonna try to track back. Um, what are my variables? Case width, case length. Okay, that's good. That's good that I have those. Um, Case bottom, I think I'm gonna end up cutting it, or when I do the shell part, I wanna see what happens if I eliminate these two. Okay, everything messes up. So yeah, that's what I didn't want to happen. I mean, sometimes it's good to try it out just to make sure like what it would be, but in this case, I think it's just gonna be easier for us to cut it out. Um, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut. Well, also I wanna check the fillet. Edit. I'm gonna get rid of this face like that. That's easier. And if we see it from the front, oh, oh, there we go. I want to cut this floor ground. Um, yeah. Yep, I want to do that. And one way of doing it, well, first off, is knowing what's the distance from this face to, oh, yikes, from this face to this face is 2.5. So we gotta get rid of those 2.5. There's several ways of doing it. I think the most easy way is just, let's go here, make a drawing here, a sketch, and we're going to make a rectangle from here, at least bigger than the actual one. Actually, we can then just say, hey, I want this line and this line to be coincident, and then I want this line and this line to be coincident as well, just for you to follow the dimension in case something changes. All right, and now I'm going to extrude, remove, and then I can say up to face, which face, this face, there we go. And now we got it empty. Now, something I'm thinking is that, you know, these holes, extrude, this hole, which is mirrored, this extrusion, I may be able to mirror it. I think we can do that maybe. So there's some things called planes. Let's see where it is. Plane, and I can say, hey, use this plane as a reference and this face as a reference, and give me a plane, a mid plane. So it's giving me a plane just in the middle. That's gonna help me because this plane number one can help me as a way of mirroring features. For example, mirror is here, so I can say, hey, this extrusion, oh, feature mirror, sorry. This extrusion, mirror them based on this plane. Mirror plane, this plane. Actually, here I got it wrong. And let's see if it works. It didn't work. Okay, let's go back. Feature mirror. and we're saying this extrusion around plane 1, and it's not working for whatever reason. So well, we can just do it by hand, I guess. Yeah, because I mean, unless, let you see. Oh, oh, I see. That's the one. No, 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 I got it wrong. Then the one I should be using is number 3. This is the one. All right, so I can say, let's see if it works. Mirror, feature, extrude number 3, mirror plane 1, plane 1. Oh, plane 1. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Ah, so easy. Love it. Awesome. And that way, I can just, yeah, like there's nothing else for me to do. Like if we see our drawing, those are the 4 holes I need here, which are the same dimension as the ones on the top. So that's good. And now I need to create a new part, which is this one right here. Yeah, so let's do that. I'm just thinking yeah, we got this. All right, let's create a new part inside of this folder. Create part studio. Let's rename it. Let's rename it as back lid or case. No, back lid. I like that. But let's use the same as everyone. Case back lid. All right. Now I'm gonna start with a sketch on top, like this, and then dimension from here to here. We can call this case length, and then from here to here we can call this case width. There we go. And then we can just I'm thinking if this is the best way of doing it. No, I think this is not the best way of doing it. I'm gonna start in front, new sketch. Since we have this shape diagonally, instead of doing an extrusion from here to here and then cutting it out, we can just make this first drawing and then extruding with the same variables. Look at this. We can say from here to here, here to here, and then here to here. We can just say, hey, this line, make it a construction. Select the whole thing and mirror it. There we go. And then we can say, this can be case length divided by 2. And then the only thing I care here now is maybe this height or this angle. So 149, let's do 150. And then now the height, I think I can just make sure this is not as small as I need. So for example, this could be 3, let's do 3 millimeters. And that's that. And now I can extrude the whole thing symmetric case width. There we go. So now I have the same dimensions, 75 and 95, but in one operation instead of 2. Now here in front, I can make another drawing, a new sketch um, here, and I can make these kind of, well, I can project this line. I'm gonna need it, but I'm gonna convert it to construction, and then I'm gonna do from here to here to here to here to here to here. Well, I'm missing one. From here to here, and then this whole thing is actually gonna be solid. Good. And now I can make it thick, like here to here. Let's do it maybe 4. I need something resistant. Then maybe 4. And then from here to here. Let's try 4 and see what happens. Oh, diameter? What do you mean with diameter? No. I want from this line to this line. What do you mean diameter? 4. There we go. And then maybe from here to here. Maybe 4. Yeah, doesn't look bad. Well, actually, I need to measure the little, because, I mean, the rubber band, let me show you. Oh, wait, I need to plug in the camera. Give me 1 second. There we go. There we go. So this little rubber band right here. Sorry for this. This whole mess. So put in 0. 3.3. So yeah, if I leave a space of 4, that's good enough. Maybe a bit more than 4, maybe 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 is good. All right. So here, this is the one I need to be a bit bigger. All right. And then I can do a fillet from here to here, a bit smaller, maybe like this. 2.41, let's do 2.5. And then maybe here as well, 2.5 as well. Oh, come on. And then here to here, 2.5, yeah, why not? Well, actually, this should be maybe a bit bigger. Maybe 1.5. And then here to here, 1.5. There we go. Yeah, I like it. And now I can extrude it. Oh, it's not working. Oh, maybe I have some. Should be a solid. Oh, I have. So it's not complete from here to here. Now it is. I was missing like a little line here. Extrude. There we go. Symmetric. And now let's again, let's see how thick this can be. So we can measure like around here, like that. Kind of like here. So 10 would be nice. 10 would be nice. So let's do 5. But no. Let's do 10 symmetric. Sorry, 10, but symmetric. Is that 10? Really? Oh, that's small. Is that? That's 10. Oh, well. Maybe a bit more. These can expand anyway. Yeah. I'm gonna measure the inside. 16. So what I ended up measuring, it's this whole inside, right? And it's 16, so I think that's better. So 16. That's better. Yeah. And now I can mirror that feature, the extrusion, the mirror plane being this right one. And there we go. No, I'm afraid it might break. But there's only one way of figuring that out, which is by trying it. So first we gotta try it. Maybe it won't break. Maybe it won't. All right, there's only one way of figuring out, and thinking about it is not. So let's get on with it. Now I do want to make some holes here. So I need the distance between these circles. So for example, here to here, that's 67. And from here to here, 87. 67, 87. Can we remember that? Yeah. 67, 87. All right, now let's go to the top one. And now we're gonna make a new sketch. Going to top. And we're gonna make a line here. And then from here to here. And then from here to here. Something we do have to know is what's the measurement of this circle. So it's 4. All right. All right, sorry about that. People were requesting me. All right, now we're gonna, these two lines, this and this, we're gonna make them construction. This is gonna be a 4. Now there's gonna be a distance from here to here, which is 87 divided by 2. And then from here to here, 67 divided by 2. Or actually, I think what I usually do is, I think the main, if I remember correctly, is this 4. Is usually I go with 4 from, yeah, that's the way I do it, right? Yeah. So, yeah, I don't think this is like that much. I mean, it's good, but I prefer doing it the way I do the other ones. 4, and then from here to here, 4. All right, now we're gonna, the usual, mirror here, and then from here to here, mirror here, and then extrude all the way, actually. Yeah. What? Blind. Through all. He's the one. Remove. The other side. Yes. There we go. And now we're gonna make a hole for the head of the bolt. Actually, I'm gonna replicate these pretty much. So what thing I need to know is how much space I'm leaving from here to here. 6. All right, so 6. And what's the diameter I'm using for this hole? Diameter 6.4. 6.4 and 6. All right. So since we don't have a flat face here, I'm gonna have to make a plane. So I'm gonna select this face. I wanna say, give me a new plane. I need that plane to be on this other side, and I need it to be 6 inches on top. Great. And now on this plane, I can actually draw the circles that I need. So for that, I can just go here. It doesn't work. I need to project this, 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 and this. Or actually, no, I think that's fine. I can just do from here to here. Yeah, I think I should mirror. Alright, so same thing. Line here. Line here. Construction. Distance 6.4. And then mirror. Wait. This? No. This is construction. No. This is construction. And now this one, I mirror with this line. And then this one and this one, I mirror with this line. And then I extrude the other side, remove through all. There we go. Yep, just like that. All right, cool. I think we're done. Oh my god, that was quick. I'm excited. All right. Yep, that's the part we're missing. Actually, now we should go to the assembly and put it right where it needs to be. So let me just turn on the other thing that I'm missing. I think that's good. Before I put the other thing, I should be putting more of these threads here. And then, oh, come on, restore. There we go. And now I should do cylinder. Okay, I'm getting excited. That's good. Bam, bam, bam. Hey, why is... Oh, this is not the one. Haha. Delete. That's not the insert that I needed. There's another insert. This is the one. Yeah. Then I do cylinder made from here to here. Yes. Wait, what? Okay, let's edit it. And we say this face and this face. There we go. And then we say here, here. There we go. And then we say no more. And now we say this. I want to make a pattern. In which direction? In this direction. The other side. And then I want the distance, which is, was it 87? Yes, good. And now, oh, wait, I can do double direction. Second direction. And then the new direction is gonna be this one. And it's gonna be 67. There we go. Awesome. Actually, you know what? This thing takes parts. So what I should do is insert this bolt here. I should 180, and then I should, well, this part should be before the pattern, and then I should say, hey, actually I should also insert the new part. This one. I should you know what I'm missing? A fillet. What's the diameter? I have a general fillet. Yeah, general fillet. So I should use that one. I should edit this in context. Well, actually, I don't have to edit in context, but anyway. Dun, 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 dun. And I should do the radius to be general fillet. There we go. There we go. Awesome. All right. This is going good. Go back to assembly. And now I should say, hey, this part. Oh, come on. Assembly. There we go. Should say planner this to this. There we go. And now let's say planner this to this. There we go. And now we should say planner this to this. There we go. And now this part, I can put it here. Oh, I can't? Yeah, I think I can. Yeah. I just want the final pattern to be at the end because I'm gonna include these bolts. So I should say, hey, give me a cylindrical. No, sorry, cylindrical. From like here to here. Good. And give me a planar. Come on. Here to here. Now the cool thing is that I can say, hey, remember this pattern? Well, I want to edit it. Same dimensions, I just want to include this part. And now the cool thing is that now you can see there's a bolt in each one. Nice. But the time matters. That's why I was pulling this all the way to the back. All right. Look at that chunky little thing. Oh my god. All right. I think we're done. We can print this out. See how it goes. I mean, let's just see it. So we have the battery there. I think the battery is gonna be glued to one of the side, like the battery holder is gonna be to one side, like glued. But I can pull this out and put the battery in place. So that's all I wanted. Yeah, it looks chunky, but I mean that's what it is. Like, I guess that's what you need. I mean, it can definitely be more compact for sure, but for a first prototype, like, yeah, it's just a sandwich. Just a freaking sandwich. Alright, let's print this out and see how it goes. Great job for following up to this point. See you in the next one.